What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started today, I just wanted to say keep an eye out for the upcoming videos as we have some interesting wish items arriving soon. But without further ado, today we have my very special and unique factory defect Rolex Datejust 1991 reference 16234. I've bought this recently from a local dealer, Bramlys. If you're after a watch or just want to sell your watch, then this is definitely the place to go. Highly recommended. Jason is a super nice guy, happy to help anybody. I'll leave his details in the description below. As I was saying, this Rolex was originally a factory set diamond silver dial, but something mysterious has happened to the dial. These dials were produced for Rolex by Singer during this period, but after close inspection and consultation with dial experts and trained chemists specialising in metallurgy, the conclusion is that the dial was not lacquered as it should have been from the factory when it was made, creating this one-of-one unique and beautiful markings on the dial. As you can see, the tritium lume pips on the outside of each diamond hour marker have reacted with the oxidization to keep the area surrounding them clear from the unique marks, which makes this piece ever more interesting. From what I said about the laser etching on the crystal in the Rolex GMT Master 2 in my last video, this particular model does not come with this, as it's pre-2001, which was when Rolex brought out the laser etching into their crystals. Rolex also did not engrave the inner bezel, also known as a rehaut, back in 1991, which was introduced in the Datejust in 2007. The movement in the watch is an automatic Rolex caliber 3135. You can tell that watch has hardly been worn due to the Jubilee bracelet, often after being worn for a few years, starts to sag when you lift them up on their side, but this particular Jubilee bracelet has next to no sag whatsoever. Also adding to this, the clasp still makes that crisp snap when closing it. Also pointing out that this is the original bracelet to the watch. When using the code to date the bracelet, it matches the watch, which is 1991. This bracelet is also the holotype links, unlike the later Jubilee bracelets, which we'll show in another video. But as you can see, this is such a special piece, and I'm so glad I'm able to own something like this thanks to Bramlys. Would love to hear from you guys in the comments if you've ever seen a dial like this or have any more information to add on this piece, as it's just spectacular. Again, thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please like, comment and subscribe. Also, if you hit the bell icon to get notifications when we next upload, as you don't want to miss out on our next video.